Hello foodies, if you adore Asian cuisine and love spicy soups, this recipe is perfect for you. This enticing dish offers a remarkable feast for the palate, plus, it's an amazing choice for both lively brunches and joyful gatherings with friends. Here's what we'll need. Oil, sesame oil, or even better, peanut oil. Red curry paste, or optionally the milder yellow or the spicier green, whichever you prefer.
We'll need pepper and salt, and optionally chili threads for garnish.
Additionally, we need chicken broth, soy sauce, and coconut milk.
I use the reduced fat version, 2 chili peppers, and alternatively dried lemongrass if you can't find fresh ones.
This also comes in powdered form.
We also need a few sprigs of fresh cilantro. If you can't find or don't like it, substitute with flat leaf parsley.
We'll also need chicken breast fillet, which also works with turkey, bell peppers preferably red, but not necessarily, as well as some fresh ginger, mushrooms, and spring onions. Additionally, we'll need Asian noodles, which like pasta here, come with or without eggs. I use the ones with eggs.
Now let's jump to some prep work. Cut the meat into small pieces, which shouldn't be larger than half the size of a stew cube. Peel and finely chop the ginger, and slice the spring onions into thin rings.
Make sure to wash and deseed those colorful bell peppers before you cut them into small, delightful pieces. And while you're at it, slice or quarter the fresh mushrooms for just the right texture.
Next, let's take the lemongrass and slice it lengthwise, but make sure not to cut all the way through. The bottom part should remain connected. After your first cut, gently rotate it halfway, and then make your second cut.
This specific cutting technique, you see, allows the lemongrass to release its full, wonderful aroma, making it easy to remove from the soup later.
Now we add the oil to a large pot and heat it up.
Then we add the meat pieces and briefly fry them over high heat, just for 2-3 minutes.
Next, season with pepper.
Also with salt.
Add the finely chopped ginger.
And also the sliced spring onion rings.
Then mix everything thoroughly.
Now to glaze with the broth.
Pour coconut milk in.
Now, let's stir everything together, watching as it transforms into a colorful, fragrant mixture.
Now add the soy sauce.
And also the curry paste. As mentioned earlier, you can choose your preferred level of spiciness.
Add the chopped lemongrass to the pot. Give everything a good stir, and let the soup cook for about 5 minutes. In the meantime, we will do some prep work again. We just see the chili peppers and then chop them finely, and the fresh cilantro is also chopped. And now we add the rest of the vegetables to the pot, like the bell pepper pieces. Next, we're adding the fresh sliced mushrooms. Then we'll carefully mix in the finely chopped chilies along with the vibrant chopped cilantro and stir everything gently again over a medium heat. We taste it, which means seasoning. If needed, add a bit more pepper and salt, and if you season it further, remember to stir again. And now, as the final step, we also add the noodles to the pot. They only need a few minutes. You can also turn off the stove now. After about 3 minutes, it's best to separate the noodles with 2 forks. Then we remove the lemongrass, and as you can see, it's really quite simple. Stir again, and now we take the pot with the finished soup off the stove. We like to garnish it with some cilantro leaves and thin slices of chili. And then we can truly enjoy this delightful Asian exotic soup, bursting with vibrant flavors. It's something different, but truly delicious and also perfect for parties. I wish you lots of fun cooking and bon appetit. See you next time. Take care and bye-bye.